Hello everyone, this is my physics test for portals. Everyone was asking on the Steam-powered forums how a mobile portal would actually work in regards to something going through it. So I decided to make a quick test map to see how the engine would respond to that. As some of you know, in the Portal 2 game there is a map where there is a moving platform with a portal on it. However, I was unable to replicate that. There is a much easier method, however, which is this command, the sv underscore allow underscore mobile underscore portals 1. You turn that on and it allows you to make portals on any moving platform. So we'll load up my map test here. Okay. This is the map test. See, this is our moving platform. Pop a portal on here. And this is our testing cube. We put a portal on our ejection area. The Aperture Science ejection platform. And we're going to put the cube right in the middle. Okay, so that's pretty well lined up. Now, just for the interest of everybody, we're going to stand back and let you all see what happens. However, you'll find that the result is not what anybody expects. Unfortunately, it's a lot less entertaining. Yes, that is what happens. It freaks out. And it begins to shove it through the floor. It basically acts as if the portal isn't even there. And thus, it doesn't know what to do. So it just treats it like any other wall, which is this. Sometimes it'll actually flip out the cube and it'll flip out of the wall and everything. It's kind of entertaining, but it doesn't do what we want it to do. So there's another solution. As I reload the map, the other solution is to put yourself in the midst of the danger. So I'll pop a portal on each side here. I'll wait for this to go back up. Also, a quick note, that cheat command to oops, you just got an example of what happens. The cheat command will actually reset the portal every time the moving platform stops. It doesn't affect the test. I just wanted to make sure everybody realizes what's going on there. So as you can see, the portal's coming down on us. It looks very scary. This is not the way you want to test your first portal. And as you can see, it almost acts the same as the cube. However, if you move, it flips out. This time it's sticking me into the ground. Right now I'm actually inside the wall. And it'll pretty much stay there. So right now I'm mostly stuck. That's one of the possible solutions. Load it up real quick again. If you move right as it starts to touch you, it'll actually eject you. It's sort of like what people were expecting with B. However, many of the more physics-minded people would probably say that's not how it should actually answer. As you can see, it actually imparts some momentum. I actually think it's actually making you move faster than the platform's moving. In other words, the engine has absolutely no idea how to handle this situation. I'm actually stuck in the floor right now. So it's buggy to say the least. But yeah, see, now it's going to stick me again. But that's basically how it goes. The answer is the engine has no idea how to handle this situation. And so relying on it for an answer is not the correct way to do it. And that's probably why Valve does not allow you to touch any of these portals when they're moving. The only time in the game when it even has a moving portal is during a scripted event where you're taking out the neurotoxin. You'll note that you can't actually touch that portal. Nor can anything physical touch that portal. The only thing that goes through it is a laser. I'm pretty darn sure there's a good reason for that, and we just saw why. So hopefully that answers everybody's questions.